What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check politic news. Every single day on my channel, I keep you guys updated what's going on in this country, what's going on with politics, what's going on with the stimulus. Hit that like if you're watching right now. I'm picking one person giving away a $100 Amazon gift card. Let's get to the topic of today's video. Ford stimulus check update. Hopefully, we're looking at a $2,000 stimulus check. As we see right here, the very first article, Ford stimulus checks are in the cards with potentially $2,000 payments and $1,000 extra for teachers. Not only that, but you're also looking at, extra money on top of being a teacher, on top of $2,000. But if you had a child, we're talking about potentially, allegedly, more money in 2022. If you look right here, did you have a baby this year? If the answer is yes, and you actually did have a child, next year by 2022, hopefully January, you could be receiving a $1,400 check per child that you have. Back in March, President Joe Biden signed into law a massive economic bill aid, including a $1,400 for more than 100 million households and also for their children. Some people actually, are going to receive it. Some people have received it, but some people have not. Finally, some Democratic lawmakers are pushing for a Ford stimulus check. Who said this? I said this weeks ago, literally maybe 2 to 3 weeks ago. I said some lawmakers, both Democrat and Republican, are actually petitioning and fighting and pushing for a Ford stimulus check. And I even said it might even be, 2022. Who remembers I said that? Comment below. And finally, like I said, somewhere of between $1,000 and $2,000 is potential. It might be $500, $600. Nobody really knows. But real quick, before we go any further, I just want to take 2 seconds out this video. I want to let you know my name is Average Tuber. I post daily political and stimulus check update videos. I want to keep you guys updated what's going on in this country politically, what's going on in politics, Democrat, Republican, House, Senate, what's going on with stimulus. Every single day I upload daily one video, and every single video I pick one person who both hits that like button and who is subscribed, comments the color blue right now or any blue emoji. When this video hits 200 likes, I'll be picking one person randomly in the comments. As long as you hit that like and you're subscribed, I'm gonna give you a $100 Amazon gift card, 100% legit. And if you hit this join button, it only costs 99 cents. I'm gonna double it. I'm gonna give you $200 if you are the winner. And again, if you do hit join, all the money goes to these daily giveaways, these daily videos. I give away all the money I make on my channel. Also, if you hit join, you get the members only, membership diamond next to your name, members only community tab, you get exclusive videos, live streams, giveaways, emoji, chat. You get a bunch of cool things. I also have my very own clothing line only for members. Now, all that out the way, hit that like. Let's get back to the topic of today's video. Potentially, I have to say allegedly, we're looking at somewhere between minimum $500 up to $2,000 stimulus check being in the works. And as we can see right here, we've already basically agreed and confirmed that $1,000 for teachers. A lot of people have heard, I was the first person to say this, that teachers will be getting hazard pay. It eventually did end up coming true. And also in 2022, in my last video 2 to 3 days ago, I said potentially in January. I was the first person to even bring up 2022. Bam, you can see right here, 100% legit, Fortune 500. And finally, some Democratic lawmakers are pushing for a Ford stimulus check. I said this a long time ago. Nearly 24 Democratic lawmakers want to include a $1,400 stimulus check, money from the IRS. Some people are saying it might happen. Some people are not saying it's going to happen, right? But all I do know is on my channel, I keep you guys updated 100% legit. I don't make things up. I don't lie to you. I don't just look at a camera. I'm looking at a camera now, but I'm showing you my news sources. I'm showing you my articles. I don't keep it, politically biased. I look at Democratic, Republican sources, outlets. I'm not a Democrat nor Republican. I just, we're more than a political party, right? I'm more than just a Republican. I'm more than just a Democrat. I'm more than just, one of these boxes. I hate when people put people in boxes, right? I believe certain things, certain aspects from both parties. But at the same time, with that being said, there's certain things and aspects of both parties that I dislike, right? I'm not a Democrat. I'm not a Republican. Basically right in the middle, 100% honest. Daily videos, daily giveaways. Hit that like. Again, if you are not a member, if you hit that subscribe and you comment a blue emoji or the word blue, give away $100. If you hit the join button, I'm going to double it, $200 Amazon giveaway. And like I said, I don't do this to make money. I do this to keep you guys educated, updated, informed. I want to entertain and I want to help you guys. Every single day, all last year, I gave away hundreds of dollars every single day. During the month of December, guys, for Christmas, for my members, people who literally spent 99 cents. I gave them physical gifts. I shipped them, whatever they wanted for Christmas presents for their children. Not only that, all these join buttons, all these 99 cents, all the donations, it goes back to helping somebody else in need. If you want want to donate, please go in the description. I have a donation link. All the money I make here, I give away, and then I pay taxes on that money, so I lose money. But I want to do this. I only do this to help people, to educate people, to keep people informed, and to give back. Please hit that like, please hit that subscribe. Daily videos, and let me know in the comment the word blue or a blue emoji. Do you support a fourth stimulus check? That's pretty much it, guys. Have a great day. Peace.